So we found these planters out in somebody's garbage for junk. So we needed something for the front porch. We don't need it to last forever, so as the house is for sale, so we thought these would be good. They need a little repair, so that's fine. We're just going to nail a couple little loose boards down and it should be all right. Then we're going to spray paint them. This one piece on this side was fairly rotten, so we're just going to cut a little piece of scrap wood I had here. We're just going to screw it down just to give it a little extra support so the plant doesn't fall through. Just peeling out this loose veneer. This part here we're just going to leave. It's pretty thick, but it's going to be inside where the plant is, so you won't see it anyway. So we're just peeling out anything that's kind of loose. A couple of these corners are also kind of loose, so we're just going to kind of just shoot a little nail in through them, just hold them together a little better. Now that that part's done, we're just going to scrape some of the loose paint off and then spray paint them. Scrape any loose paint off just to be able to give the spray paint something good to stick to. So just anything that's peeling off, we'll just here the scraper and just scrape it out. So we scraped everything off, all the loose paint. Now we're just going to clean it off real good, just to give the spray paint a good clean surface to stick to. Just try to get all this dirt off. Alright, so now we got everything scraped. We're just going to start spray painting and see how they look. So we're just using some regular Rust-Oleum paint and primer, just that way it's got primer in it already. Should cover pretty well, so we'll just see how it looks. So here's the after on our planters. They made the porch look a whole lot nicer, and we're ready for fall now with our white thumbs.
There's Minnie Pearl. Do you like our planters, Minnie Pearl? It's okay. Visit Carolyn'sBloomingCreations.com